and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to make sequins pants, but before moving on to the tutorial I will suggest you to watch my other two videos on how to take measurements for pants and how to cut the pattern of basic pants. So do check that out. I have given the link in the description box as well. So let's move on to the tutorial.
I am using sequins fabric for this project, and this has been with me from so long, and I wanted to use to make some bottom like pants or skirt. Now is the time. You can check the description box for its video how to make basic pattern for pants. I'll be cutting two parts of one pattern. I'm cutting the lining first. It will make it easier to cut the main fabric with the help of the lining. As my basic pattern is half, I'll be marking rest of the leg on the fabric itself. While marking the rest of the leg, you can change the shape or length of the pant. So it's all depend on you, and it will be easier for this much pattern. You can change it to shorts, capri or full length pants. I have kept the bottom width equals to the thigh. Then mark the margin because my patterns are never with the margin. That gives me scopes to alter any pattern. Both legs will be cut individually. Now we will cut the main fabric. Before cutting the sequins fabric, make sure the direction of the sequins is downwards. Now pin up the pattern on the main fabric. Before cutting the main fabric, make sure you use the other scissors which you are not using regularly, because after cutting sequins fabric that may not leave the scissors in working condition. Once the patterns are cut, join them from the crotch area. Join front portion with front portion and back portion with back portion from crotch area. Do the same with the main fabric as well. After this, stitch the sides as well, leaving 4-5 inches on the left side for zipper. Do the same with the main fabric as well. Once that much is done, stitch the inner seam of the main fabric and the lining separately. After that, put the legs of the lining in the legs of the main fabric. Then stitch the lining and the main fabric from the waist area and the zipper side. I forgot to put the darts, but instead of darts, I'm just cinching in the waist because darts on sequins fabric would not look nice. Checking how much fabric I need to cut out because I am not using the darts. I like rest of the fitting of the pants. It is looking amazing. I'm joining the lining and the main fabric from the zipper side in such a way that the seam should not be visible from the top. Then I will add the zipper on the side. So I have added the zipper on the side, and now it's time to finalize my waistline. I'm giving little V shape on the waistline from front. Now I will finish the waistline with the bias strip. After stitching the bias strip on the waistline, I will finish it with the hand stitch from inside. At the end, I will finish the hem of the lining and the main fabric. I am thinking to leave the main fabric as is, just folding the lining from inside. I like the overall fitting of these pants. What you guys think? Let me know in the comment box. You can get rid of the sequence which is poking you from inside by the help of cutter or ripper, or just stick the fusing on top of it so that it will not poke you.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Also, if you have any query related to this video, do comment down below. I will reply you guys. Till then, take care and see you in the next video. Bye.